dear student, welcome to Easy Learning. Today we're going to study MBA 4th semester subject Emerging Technology in a Global Business Environment. We're going to cover up Unit 1, the overview of a digital transformation. Let's start. Digital transformation. So digital transformation is the integration of a digital technology into all areas of business. तो डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हम नए टेक्नोलॉजी को या तो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं या तो मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं हर बिजनेस में। तो हमें जैसे याद होगा हमारा 20वीं सेंचुरी में हमने डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ था, जहाँ पे हमारा कंप्यूटर यूज स्टार्ट हो चुका था, हमारे ईमेल राइटिंग्स आ चुके थे। तो लेकिन इसके पहले क्या होता था? इसके पहले हम मैनुअली वी यूज टू राइट अ लेटर और इसे हम पोस्ट ऑफिस में जाके पोस्ट करते थे और वो रिसीवर के पास पहुंचता था। बट नाउ जैसे जैसे लेटर अ डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्म हुआ, तो अब क्या है कि वी हैव अ ईमेल। अगर आपको किसी को मैसेज देना है तो वी हैव अ मैसेज सिस्टम, हमारे पास व्हाट्सएप है, वी हैव अ अदर मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशंस। सो यही जो चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, दिस इज एक्चुअली अ डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. Now, the change how we operate and deliver value to the customer. तो डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में ये है कि ये जो भी वर्क हो रहा है डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में, दैट शुड बी वैल्यू एंड बेनिफिट फॉर द कस्टमर. ऐसा ना हो कि आपने कुछ ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी बनाया जिसमें कस्टमर को किसी भी तरह का मतलब हेल्प नहीं हो पा रहा है, और दे आर नॉट वेरी मच comfortable with that. So basically digital transformation में हम जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी को क्रिएट और मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं, that should be a value and a benefit for the customer. जैसे हमारा ईमेल राइटिंग हो गया, ईमेल में हमारा कितना पोर्टेबल और कितना कंफर्टेबल है कि आपको you don't need to go to a post office to send the letters or like that. आप घर पे इंटरनेट के थ्रू you just write the emails और it immediately it sent to the receiver. तो ये इतना मतलब इतना अच्छा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन रहा और इतना अच्छा मॉडिफिकेशन रहा. सो इट इज़ वैल्यू एंड बेनिफिट टू द कस्टमर. Now it is also a cultural change that required organization to continually challenges the status quo, experiment and get comfortable with the failure. तो ये एक तरह का कल्चरल चेंज है, जहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ पे है कि स्टेटस क्यू का मतलब होता है हमारा द वे द थिंग्स आर राइट नाउ, जैसा है वैसा ही है, ठीक है. और अगर इसमें हम कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं तो इट शुड बी कंफर्टेबल विद द फेलियर ऑल्सो. तो देन इन recent year the COVID-19 pandemic has brought a new urgency to the meeting a digital transformation goal and forced many organizations to speed up transformation. कोविड-19 के बाद तो हम जानते हैं हमारा आईटी फर्म्स ने और बहुत सारे वर्किंग फर्म्स ने क्या किया, उन्होंने वर्क फ्रॉम होम का कल्चर स्टार्ट किया. सो क्योंकि काम तो आपका रुकेगा ही नहीं, यू जस्ट नीड टू वर्क. आप जहाँ वहीं पे ही स्टार्ट कर दिया. दे विल स्टार्टेड प्रोवाइडिंग जूम मीटिंग और भी मतलब फैसिलिटी दे हैव ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड टू द एम्प्लॉयज so that they can work from home in the same way that they are used to work in a office. फिर because of this there the recent more implementation were adding in a digital transformation. basically यही concept में कि अगर कोई नई urgency आती है, it will be comfortable for the employees to work if they are working from the home. So the definition of a digital transformation is the digital transformation is a process of using a digital technology to create a new or modify existing business process, culture, and the customer experience to meet a changing business and market requirement. The reimagining of a business in the digital age in a digital transformation. सो यहाँ यही कहा जा रहा है कि डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन क्या है, एक तरह का प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे हम डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी के हेल्प से हम नए प्रोडक्ट को या तो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं या तो मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं, या तो दिस इज इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ बिजनेस प्रोसेस, कल्चर और द कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस टू मीट द चेंजिंग द बिजनेस एंड द मार्केट रिक्वायरमेंट, यानी जो भी बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट, जो भी मार्केट रिक्वायरमेंट है, ऑन दैट पर्पस द reimagining of a business in a digital age is a digital transformation. reimagining का मीन्स यही है कि आपके पास जो भी डिजिटल ऑन गोइंग टेक्नोलॉजी है उसको और मॉडिफाई और उसको बेटर मतलब रीइमेजिन करके और बेटर क्रिएट करके कस्टमर को बेटर एक्सपीरियंस प्रोवाइड करना, यानी जो ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है उसमें और कुछ अच्छा इम्प्लीमेंट करके that it become more useful, more beneficial to the customer is exactly a digital transformation. So um, so uh, we have a various field where the digital transformation can be seen. The first is the technology. So the technology, we have a mobile technology. In a recent year, we have seen many implementation in the mobile phones. Many specification has been changed day by day, and we keep on seeing कुछ ना कुछ इसमें नया implement होते जा रहा है. So this is actually the digital transformation in technology. Then we have a communication. Communication, we have a 2G, 3G, 4G, and right now we are using 5G. Then we have data. In a data digital transformation, we have the best example as a cloud computing. So it is providing a bulk data storage process. Then we have Internet of Thing. Internet of Thing is basically is a kind of automation machines which are automatically handled, and it does not require any manual input. So basically ये Internet of things that can be seen in a medical equipments we can see, और इसी तरह और भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस होते हैं वहाँ पे we can just see all those things. Then automation, we have whatever the things are being automatically working. So nowadays we can see the many cars, they are providing automation facilities. We can see even in the technology also we have a automation process. We can just see. Then AI is a one of the boom in a recent market. AI का काम बहुत ही मतलब इस समय you can see in any other any place, even in a Google search we have artificial intelligence application is been using. Then we have like चैटबॉट सिस्टम. आजकल बहुत सारे जो वेबसाइट्स हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कस्टमर केयर के लिए दे वे यूजिंग अ चैटबॉट. तो इसमें क्या है कि in even also in a IRCTC we know that there is a chatbot with the name of Diksha. So then artificial intelligence can be seen in the Alexa और Siri. Alexa में क्या है कि आप वॉइस कमांड देते हैं, on the that basis of voice command you will get a output, either if you are asking for a song or any kind of search you're looking for. So Alexa is another example. Then the last one we have in a networking. So these are the the various field where the digital transformation can be seen. Benefits of a digital transformation. So digitalization, using a digital data to simplify how you work. The process of using digitalized information to make established way of working simpler and more efficient is called digitalization. तो digitalization का मतलब यही हुआ कि आपने अपने मोबाइल के थ्रू आपने क्या कहते हैं इमेज क्लिक कर लिया और वीडियोस ले लिया या आप तो OTT यानी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपने यू कैन जस्ट सी और वॉच वीडियोज और लाइक दैट। और आपको किसी भी यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड यू कैन कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू अ डॉक्यूमेंट। सो दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ डिजिटलाइजेशन, जहाँ पे हम डिजिटल डेटा को सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं। नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज अ डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन add value to every customer interaction. So here the digital transformation is changing the way the business get done, and in some cases creating a entirely a new class of business. Then we have a possibilities with the digital transformation. A key element of a digital transformation is understanding the potential of your technologies. Then we have a adapt your business to leverage digital transformation. So digital transformation have reshaped how companies approach to the customer service. Now the key digital transformation trend in IT. So we have a focus on resiliency and sustainability. So resiliency is my ability to thrive on the face of a challenge, and the sustainability is the ability to continue an important function indefinitely without a decline in a quality. Then we have an emphasis on using a cloud to enable a innovation. So here the organization are enabling to move a much more quickly when developing a new business service and the mobile application. Then we have a AI fueled automation of a business process. So AI is here is providing a better, faster, and a more automated decision taking. Then we have a continuous acceptance of a remote work. You know, remote work means like after the pandemic, the companies were started providing the employees to work from the remote. Means like that they can work from home or either any place other than the office. So after the pandemic, these kind of the culture is has been started, and it is continue acceptable. Now the many of the companies were already started, they are still continue their employees to work on this remotely, but many of the office already open their firm so that the employees can start working from office. So but still there are many the companies, they are still adapting the same remote working, the facility they were providing to the employees. Then we have an increased attention to managing the data for its entire life cycle. So increasing attention managing data is basically a generating, storing of and managing of the data. uh, then we have a security as a business imperative, not as a afterthought. So security of any data or any business, the data that being stored are being very important part of any organization. Then we have a prioritizing the AI ethics and governance. So artificial intelligence is one of the leading application nowadays, and we can see the is a keep on implementation, and it is keep on going. So we can see that here the prioritizing the AI ethics and governance, like we can see many more changes, and it is keep on going through the AI applications. Then we have an increased use of maturing machine learning technologies. So the Python is one of the leading machine learning technologies that being used in the artificial intelligence applications. So this has been increased in using nowadays. So these are the key digital transformation trend that can be seen in IT right now. Now the example of a digital transformation. So there are the many functional area of a business that the digital transformation can be seen. The first one is digital transformation in a marketing. So the goal of a digital transformation in a marketing is to find a more customer while spreading a less money. So digital marketing generate a more quality leads and help you to get a closure to all your customer, whether they are new to your brand or a long time loyalist. So digital transformation in the marketing, we can see that the many companies were started using, you're promoting their brands or their products on social media also. They are also started various campaignings. So here the we can see the digital transformation in main goal, like many of the nowadays many of us were using Instagram and watching the reels. So while scrolling those videos and making the reels, we can see the many of the you know um, websites, advertisements you can be seen. Many of the influencer were endorsing the brands and the products. So this is the digital transformation in the market can be seen. Then the digital transformation in the sales. Traditional role of a marketing and the sales are being redefined in a digital age. It's all about the data. The ability to collect a large amount of precise data on a customer behavior led marketing and sales team in a particular approach their work in a way never before possible. So by using a digital transformation in the sale, we can see that we can able to collect a large amount of data regarding the taste and the behavior of the customer. We can understand that the particular customer can like that product or not, or he want to endorse that product or not, he can use that or she can use that product or not. So by the digital transformation, the it is very helpful for the to understand the customers mind or their behavior, and which is also become one of the beneficial for the sales and the marketing team to understand their strategy. They can by understanding their behavior, they can make a strategy like how to amuse that the customers so that they can start buying their product or their sales can be increased. Now the digital transformation create a AI driven sales technique. So artificial intelligence system can be incredibly helpful in ability to comb through a vast amount of data in search of useful pattern and other insight. As AI search evolve, they studying sales and the marketing data not only from the customer end and standpoint, but also to determine the effectiveness of the sales technique and strategy themselves. So with the help of the artificial intelligence driven techniques, here there were the pattern is a form with the AI application. With that, the sales or a marketing data can be analyzed regarding the customer. Like this is a very that like they like that product or not in a that way. So it is a very effective of sales technique and strategy in themselves. We also note that the we can see that in a YouTube we have a recommendation, regarding the videos. Also on the many OTT platform, like in a Netflix, we get a recommended movies. So these are also are done on the basis of the AI. Then we have a social selling strategies are the key component of a digital transformation. So the social media is everywhere. It's a mashing up new entertainment and the brand interactions alongside the interpersonal connection. So, PricewaterhouseCoopers recently found that 70% of a customer were in some way influenced by the social media during the buying process. So, social media become the one of the leading, the place where there, we can interact. The customer can interact either through the news, entertainment, and the brand interaction can be done. So, social selling strategy are the key component of a digital transformation. The example of digital transformation in service, the customer service and our ideas around where the service begins and the end are being appended by the digital era as much as any other part of a business and more so on. So customer nowadays in website, if you have to return any product, you can go to directly to the website, and there's an option like customer service. So you will get either a chat or you can call a customer service, a customer care. So here it is a uh, it is just because of digital transformation in the service. And one more thing I'll just add, nowadays I'm also looking into that, like various of the e-commerce website, they have already started a chatbot, like it is a working on the AI application where the customer can be interact on the through the chat. So this is also one of the best example of the digital transformation in the service. Then we have a social media in a new customer service test. So listening and responding to the customer across all social media channels sound pretty daunting if you just getting started with that. Twitters and the LinkedIn apps on your own phone. So we have a new customer service. Also, we have a Twitter, LinkedIn apps which are being using, and they were pretty much using nowadays. Digital transformation in a bank. So bank has been radically transformed by a digital technology in a way that been greatly benefited many customers. Not so long ago, the majority of a transaction was handled in a person by the bank teller. Now the automated teller machine, which is being called ATM, came along with the streamline that basic transaction process, the extending business hours and reducing wait time and dependency on a human employee for a cash withdrawals and other popular transaction. So digital transformation in the banking, we can see like we can easily withdraw the money from the bank, or sorry, from the ATMs. We don't need to go directly to the bank, and we can just withdraw or withdraw the money from there. So we have so many ATM machines nowadays is been installed in this various places nearby your house, either in a market or anywhere you just need it. So this has also become one of the best digital transformation in the banking sector. Then we have a we have a debit card system. We have a credit card system for the shopping or buying or purchasing of any goods and taking any service. So these are also one of the leading digital transformation. We have a net banking facilities nowadays. Banks are being providing where we don't need to go to a bank if we want to send money even in India or abroad. So these are the best digital transformation can be done in the banking, and they are keep implementing new changes in the banking sectors also. Then we have a digital transformation in a retail. So retail has been radically transformed into digital era. Digital transformation has a both impact in in-store retail experience and ushered in a age of e-commerce. So we e-commerce means we have Amazon or Flipkarts and many Agio. They were providing a best digital transformation in the retail process. We don't need to go to a store, or we can directly purchase any cloth or watches or any item. We can easily get it on a e-commerce website. So Amazon, where you can buy a grocery, or if you want to buy a mobile, or you can clothes or home furnishing. So these were the area where the digital transformation are being done in the retail sectors. I hope these videos are going to be helpful for your exam. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.